thing I say, they be all time we only to say Nigerians, oh, may they ban Nigeria, they don't know it for Cameroon, oh, may they ban Nigerian actor them, oh, Nigerian musician, they don't talk say, hey, no, when something fine to know. More talk, and I know say me, I know the Bembema talk, and the talk on two sides. It's sweet.
Melocious TV. Information, entertainment, analysis, and gossips. Be careful. We are everywhere. Melocious TV.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Melocious TV. Hope you all are doing great. Today we're going to be talking about the Miss World, the Miss Universe, the Miss Way. It don't happen within these days because we'll get information say Nigeria win best costume. But before we go into that, I get another small short gist I want to tell when I wait till it happen. Nigeria embassy for France call police over Port Juju where they see our front their office. Where in Nigeria, one are the one threatening that people their life. That embassy do na waiting. Nigeria no go na meto. Nigeria no go na meto. Before I want talk the matter, I want to watch this video. Wait till happen for front Nigeria embassy for France. Una say una see and una take una eye chop Christmas.
Ya na meti ya no worry. Na wasuna ba me. Na matafu si wo just why. Sanera de wa mafa. Yes, but what I said, do so bra.
Watch this video. Una don't see where you play for them. Una see how police people they see the thing, they crash their heads, they hold their skin, they fear. Nigeria no be una meto. That people they wounded to for juju. The wild you want see us so now so one Nigeria will not be so disappointed with the way their embassy don't treat you because this embassy they get as a day. You go for them, they make they treat you like say you be nobody. They don't make people they don't lost flights, people they don't be restrained, people they don't you don't even want to renew your passport, na problem. You want see as so that person or that group of people where they made that automobile caputa for that place so it don't hurt them for their heart. And anybody go touch them. I don't know. For that how they don't end with the juju matter. Or they call police and say me police they can't carry the juju. The way the police they look they just pass the go there. They do they fear police. They want carry juju go keeper for side. So they call police and say me police they can't carry the juju. They go jail they put juju they put her for the owner say they want me police they do her. They don't call their chief there they get her for inside France or that they are BB people there that they are call them they can't carry port juju. Now they call police or port juju police do her. Or I say they go give a complaint say juju don't appear before their office. Oh my God! I see that they just with me. I said no, they Nigeria. They need the carry last. No play with. They plenty. They plenty, Leonie. They plenty. When you sting one, I'm saying don't touch them plenty. The only what she done on God, I say, more sample that mend them for that embassy. It like say they gave a put that Port Juju for all Nigerian embassy for the way because you want go for who side of Nigeria that they complain about their embassy. Or side, not be only Nigeria. I don't want to talk for our side because we never see Juju. There is someone to go put Juju. They will all be seeing for Germany anyway. They will go buy red oil. They go paint Cameroon embassy for Germany, They paint out red oil. You know what I say? On good white wall. That boy they take red. They want for money time. The whole Cameroon embassy for Germany, Now red oil way. They don't paint them all side. That one the people they get some serious bolo. That one will show the world how angry will be because when you there for Western world, anything concern documentation. You know go there for your own country, you call your embassy number, no the pass. You send mail for your embassy, no one need to reply. Nobody is doing what they're supposed to do. Now when you work for embassy, they can't work for your own time, but you can't do that. for a Western country, they know the value of time. Before you want call embassy, when they are embassy for that country, say for example, you are a Belgian or you are a German, you want call for follow us on document, the call number not the pass. When they be breaking when they don't talk about, they say you can call for this time. Call our embassy them. I don't want to call it, but African embassy them for the world. Stay for some countries, stay even for America. Call with Nigeria, call Nigeria embassy. How many times for they'll pick them? Or send a mail for that they'll reply you. So a lot of people they be pain with this same issue. Now why that way you see some of these things that they can't up. You see some man go just decide to go carry Juju drive for Africa, bring them. Can put a friend embassy say, may all the ballon no me follow now because the stress way that they make some people they go through when it comes to documentation. Maybe all man not fit talk because all man want open him for talk no. It get as it be get the way they. So Nigerians, well done. Una don't do them very well. I like una spirit because when una want to do something, una dey do out una full chest. Yes. Okay, moving on to our next thing we want to talk about. Now we will go for a real topic. Let's say bring me for here today. Wow. I woke up the morning. I see one of our bloggers for Cameroon, Next Them Empire. I don't make some post. It post say Nigeria win best national costume at Miss Universe 2021. I also put a picture there for you. I see him. I just get a glance. He wrote, Nigeria's Miss Universe representative Maristella Akpala has won best in national costume award. The design was inspired by a famous traditional masquerade of Nigeria's Mwana tribe. The elaborate ensemble includes a beaded headdress and an intricate tribal mark with a colorful ancient back cape. It was designed by the same Filipino fashion student, Kennedy Jehan Gaspar, who designed the national costume for Cameroon's 2020 Miss Representative, Kosinda Angel. So now the thing that we call the monitor, I was like, wow, and the costume is really beautiful. So congratulations to Nigeria. And this same Filipino guy, a lot of controversy become out last time we be designed for the Cameroonian, where they be talk say now so Cameroon designer become say na he draw the design before that boy go T-farm go design and move on for the girl. But we never hear that kind of thing for Nigeria. So I want to say congratulations to our neighbor Nigeria. This is good initiative. I'm going to put the pictures there for you guys to see. The pictures are very beautiful. The design is awesome. So congratulations to Nigeria and congratulations to Cameroon, to our own Miss Cameroon for coming out as second runner as on the Miss World competition. We say kudos to them. This is good win, guys. As you people are still young, use your voice to impact change among your people, among the youth. Kudos. Melodies say me can drop the one. At least we not let it talk every day and say Nigerians they don't quarter person for Dubai. Nigerians they don't do so. At least when some good thing to happen for Nigeria, may we talk. So the thing I say, they be all time we only can to say Nigerians or may they ban Nigeria, they be no enter for Cameroon or may they ban Nigerian actor them more. Nigerian musician they don't talk say no. When something fine to know. More talk. And I know say me, I know the bembema talk. And the talk on two sides. It's sweet, it bitter. You know how they used to come on my page can fabagas me, give me most bass, but are they strong for them? Because I know the take side, they always find at the talk. So congratulations to Nigeria. That's what I do for that embassy. I beg me other Cameroon, me other African country them, they copy. Even me I say no, me they can't draw na some devil put on for them, me they just do them. It get as it be. We know how they feel them. So congratulations Nigeria. We don't be always spoiler. We will put upload fixer for una matter them. Thank you guys so much. Thank you all so much. My returning subscriber, my new subscriber. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up at the end. And remember again, Melodies TV. Hope I'm going to see you all again on my next upload. Bye.
It's a vision records.
When they pay me in dollars, on your radio, I got the back to the money. You too money, the sweet.